Hello, my name is Gilbert Vargas Cano, and this is a part 3 question 1 of 1. All university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. Three questions. Question 1. What are the advantages? Question 2. What are the disadvantages? Question 3. What is your own opinions? Okay, start speaking. Question 1. Yes, because it is a great opportunity for the student to the rise and extra income that can help with their university experience expensive and living expensive. Question 2. The disadvantages are that they may have problem with the organization of time and may discredit their academic performance. The question 3, which a very good opportunity to increase the responsibility of the student regarding for can study. Okay, thank you for your attention.